Hi everyone, I'm here to share my insights from learning computer fundamentals and Python programming this semester. At the start of this course, I thought programming was all about memorizing syntax. My biggest mistake was focusing too much on what to type instead of why the code works. Whether my program had errors, I immediately tried to change the lines randomly, hoping it would run. Looking back, that habit slowed my learning. So as the lesson went on, I realized that understanding computer fundamentals is like how data is stored, how instructions are processed, and how logic flows. Helped me debug more effectively instead of guessing. So I started tracing my code step by step, just like how a computer would execute it, and the shift changed everything. So one insight that stood out for me was how small logical errors can break an entire program. So this taught me to be more patient and systematic. If I were to do these things differently, I would spend more time planning my solution using flowcharts or pseudo code before coding. So for my closing, overall I learned that programming is not about being fast, but about thinking clearly. This mindset is something I will carry on not only in coding but in solving problems in general. Thank you.